If you're a Kansas City homeowner and you have a crawl space that's musty and moldy or wet, KC Pier has multiple dehumidifier solutions built just for you. Some of those can be paired with encapsulation techniques, but they can also be installed only simply by themselves just to control the humidity. That's the neat thing about KC Pier, that we offer options to homeowners with crawl spaces. Depending on what you're looking for, depending on the options and the variables and how long you're living in the home and what ultimately your goals are, we provide solutions that fit homeowners' needs. Not all companies do that. A lot of them will kind of have to hit the home run and give you the grand slam and the big repair, and there are no exceptions, but at KC Pier, we provide options for homeowners. And especially in crawl spaces, when you're looking for dehumidifiers, you actually have options. Our dehumidifiers are commercially graded. They run off of a 110 volt outlet. They will drain themselves, so they are essentially maintenance free. You can also monitor some of the models from your phone itself if you want to take a look at it or change the humidity. So there are lots and lots of options when it comes to dehumidifiers and crawl spaces for homeowners. Feel free to give us a call at KC Pier. We'll come out, we'll assess the situation, we'll take a look and talk to you and consult you on the variables that you're looking for and find the dehumidifier solution that meets your needs.